Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a refund on Nintendo Switch eShop. Alright, let's begin. As you can see that I am currently on the Nintendo website, specifically on their customer support section. In order to initiate the refund process, you need to utilize the Nintendo customer support website. Instead of accessing the eShop directly from your Nintendo Switch or console, open a web browser and navigate to the Nintendo support page here. Utilize the search function at the top to locate the refund option. The initial search result you should look for is refund request for downloaded game or DLC. Click on this embed and you will on this section. This section provides the comprehensive information on the eligibility criteria for the refunds, including details on the applicable consoles. After reviewing this information and determining your eligibility, if you still wish to proceed with a refund, click on the Contact Us button at the bottom of the page. In doing so, select your region and wait for the contact page to load. You'll have 3 options to reach out to support through chat, text message, or phone. Please note that the support services may currently be closed, but during operational hours, you can request a refund for purchases made on your Nintendo Switch or any other Nintendo console. So this is basically on how to get refund on Nintendo Switch eShop. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe the channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.